We'll guide you through how to optimize SEO for Wix to ensure your site ranks better in search engine results. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your Wix dashboard and select the site you want to optimize. Once you're in the editor, look for the SEO tools in the left-hand menu and click on it. This will bring you to the SEO settings page. Here, you need to start with the SEO Whiz. This tool is fantastic for guiding you through the process step by step. Input your business name and a few keywords that describe your business. Wix will then generate an SEO plan tailored for your site. Next, make sure your site pages have the right titles and descriptions. Go to each page's settings and click on SEO Google. Here, you can edit the page title to include your main keywords. Ensure your meta description is clear and includes keywords too, as this is what appears in search results. After that, focus on your site's URL structure. Wix allows you to customize your URLs, so make sure they are clean and include keywords relevant to the page content. You can do this by going to Page Info and clicking on SEO Basics. Another important step is to optimize your images. Click on each image in the editor, then go to Settings and add alt text that describes the image with keywords. This not only helps with accessibility but also with SEO. Finally, ensure your site is mobile-friendly. Wix automatically optimizes sites for mobile, but it's a good idea to check the mobile view in the editor and make any necessary adjustments. Remember, a fast-loading, responsive site improves your ranking. Don't forget to publish your changes and use the Get Found on Google feature to submit your site to Google for indexing. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.